Karate Cat.
First, she was Gangster Cat, but she didn't like her gangster moves, so now she's Karate Cat. Oh gosh.
That's gonna kill us.
Maybe she likes Gangster Cat better. That no Gangster Cat. You. Hold on, let me get this situated. No Gangster Cat. Yeah. I'm a Gangster Cat. Yeah. I think she likes this better. Gangster Cat. No.
Well, it's 1928, and it was 9:30, and we have to wait 1 hour for church. So let's just go. That means you have to eat and get ready. I'm not going to fuss at you.
Goodbye.